Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'll be doing vanilla cupcakes, and these are our ingredients. Here we have the margarine, sugar, vanilla essence, we have flour and eggs over there. So let's do this, guys. So our first step is mixing sugar with margarine. So let's mix this until the sugar is mixed well. So you can't feel the sugar particles. So guys, when the mixture is ready, when it's smooth, the next thing you add is eggs. See how eggs. So during this time, you will, this second step, you also need to add your essence of your choice. So for me, remember I told you we are doing vanilla cupcakes, so I'm going to add my vanilla essence. So I'm putting one spoonful of vanilla essence, like that. After you add, you need to mix them. Okay guys, as you know, when mixing eggs with the sugar and margarine, it can't mix completely, so you just do it until you see So then step is adding flour. After you add, you mix. So the next step is now putting the mixture in the cup holders like this. These ones I have already set here. So let me put the mixture. I'll show you. And like this, but you make sure it's uniform. So let me do this and I'm through. I'll show you. Guys, as I prepare this, I'll put my oven to preheat. The switch is on to preheat. Guys, as you can see, I'm through. So they are ready for cooking. So guys, as you can see now, my oven is ready. I'm going to put this like that. So for the heat, I'm going to cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Yes, I've already adjusted my oven. So let's do this, guys. I'll show you the final when I'm done. Guys, as you can see, I'm through with baking my cupcakes. So let me remove them. We see how they look like. So guys, I'm through with baking my cupcakes. They look yummy. I'm just waiting to finish this video. I enjoy my cupcakes. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, Sweet Meals for 5, kindly subscribe as meet in the next video. I'll be bringing baked foods sana sana. So unajua sasa shule zimefungwa, wazazi sitaki to incur expenses mob this January. So unajua Christmas tumespend, now it's January. Now you can save this January by doing this stuff at home. So bye bye, meet in the next one. Happy New Year.